Alright, so these are those two tires that were completely flat and they were off the rims. So the one I had to squeeze out to get it to seal. Got the TireJect in there. It's gotta been a month now. I'll have to look at the dates on the videos, but she's working good. I haven't even put air in it. I just been using it a little bit today. Moving some stuff around. I don't know, put 50 pounds on it anyhow. These tires are good and hard. I mean, they're solid as a rock. So, yeah. That TireJect does an awesome job. I can do a bounce test here, show you. Oh! That's how hard those tires are. It bounces. So, yeah. I've do that before. That's for sure. Yeah. Actually being able to use the damn thing when I want to is awesome. So, it's actually a really nice cart for going up steps. That's what I did. I brought a bunch of heavy boxes up the front steps with the cart. Because they're air tires, so they go up on steps a lot easier than the hard tires. So yeah, if you have issues with low speed tires, get yourself some TireJect, man. This shit is the best. So as you can see, it's way off the bead, which it's not going to want to seal most likely. Give it a try. There, she did it. Well, did it some. There we go, got it. Just had to play with it a little bit. I just gotta get the sucker off again. Look at how cracked there, and it's leaking. You can hear it. I'm gonna spin it. Hopefully get some of the sealant to it already stopped. Let's see. I'll show you this. So that's top dead center where it was leaking. Or close enough. As you can see, close enough. Look at that. Where it's cracked, the sealant came out. And no more hissing. Okay, so I'm going to spray these with some WD-40. Take it for a walk. You know, just walk it for 10 minutes to get that liquid all over inside the tires. And that way, hopefully, it will stay inflated and I'll never have a problem with this cart again. And I can actually use it when I want to, instead of having to air it up every single time. Alright, so we had a nice little walk and she's still holding air, no problem. Should be good, I think. Yeah, close to 50. So we're at least 45 on each. We'll leave it at that. And yeah, just let it sit a few weeks and see. On this one side, you could see more of that goo. I thought. Yeah. Can you see that? Let me zoom in. See, the stuff came out around the bead. Sealed the bead there, that blue. So, I mean, this stuff works awesome. So yeah, don't take my word for it. Buy a sample pack You know, try it on your own tires, man. This stuff is awesome.